So yesterday was a total write-off. I was doing a liver detox and some other kind of dietary things this week, just as an experiment, and something clearly did not agree with me. So yesterday I spent most of the day shuffling between 3 rooms of the house and not doing much else. But I'm here today, back again. But it did give me a chance to kind of think about what's important to a lot of things, what's important in business and what's important to me. And that's why today I thought I would take some time and have a bit of walk out into the outside studio and make my video out here. But it was this thing about, I spend a lot of my time actually doing client work and working with client ideas, and they rent space in my head. That's kind of how it works. I spend a lot of time working for other people's businesses. Let's get back into the light because I don't think you can see me here, which is great, and it's what's the pleasure, it's the joy of what I do. It's the and I'll get onto the why in my next video. Actually, I think I'll talk about why. But what I've noticed is that I haven't been putting enough time into my business, what I want for my future, and so that's what I've been thinking about. And so one of the solutions to that I was thinking about is because I like the variety of what I do. My life is about keeping variety in interests. That's why I like taking on projects and working with different people, because every project gives me something new to play with, and I love that aspect of it. But I also recognize it's not how you're supposed to do business. You're supposed to specialize in the one thing, and yeah, it does. If you specialize in the one thing, it's much easier to find new clients because they recognize your one thing. And so the question is, what should my one thing be? And that's what I'm looking at exploring. What is it that you know me for? What is it that you think I do? So I put that out there to my LinkedIn family and say, okay, so what is it when you see me? What is it you think that I do? Because if I have created anything out in the world, it would be really fascinating to know what you think I'm doing, because that will be my clue as to what I need to focus and specialize on. So I would love to know what your opinion is of this and what you think. And if I get no replies on this video, how will I feel about that? Oh, I just hit the microphone. But interesting, isn't it, really, how we do this stuff and how we kind of respond to it in some way. So I'm tempted to say what I do, but I don't want to do that, because I think I need to just let it out in the world and see what happens. It will be interesting to know what people think. I may have to tag a few people in to make sure I get some replies. I think that might be a way of saving my my ego. Anyway, I thought I would put that out today and see what happens. And over the next week, I'm going to put some low-cost offers out, some exploration offers, I think, because it will be useful and interesting to explore some of the things that come up here, or some of the projects that people have got. And let's play with this to see what's possible. Anyway, that's me for today on this wonderful, wonderful day, enjoying some fresh air and recovering from my you don't want to know what it was just not nice. Anyway, I will see you on Monday. All the best.